the opening salvo. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome the 8 delegations of Zamboanga Peninsula as they move forward. We are inviting everyone to sing the regional and Zamboanga del Norte hymns, to be followed by the Paraiso hymn, to be rendered by Tawag ng Tanghalan sa Showtime